What's going on, guys? So I did it again. I screwed up.
Jackass.
Thankfully, it's not too big of a deal, but I want to share this little tip with you guys because it's happened to me twice now, and I should have known better. And I've even seen guys mention it. So the fact that it happened to me twice is kind of embarrassing and unbelievable, but here's what I want to tell you. When you're working with plumbing and you're using different compounds, so the PVC primers, the glues, here's my tip. While you're working on it, have it all set up on a rag or towel, and as soon as you put that layer on with the applicator, close the lid right away, because you're gonna knock it over and you're gonna make a mess and you're gonna have a lot of cleanup, and you're gonna spend more time probably doing the cleanup than the actual job itself. So that is my tip, is don't be lazy and work smart. Avoid the mistakes that are avoidable. This is one of them. It's happened to me twice now. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching. If you like today's video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.